Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing with you what is in Signature Stationery Set number 7. So this is a total spoiler. For those of you who want to get the set and be surprised, I would just click out of the video or maybe come back and watch it later once you've got your set if you want some explanation of what you've got or have feedback for me or whatever. So our sets come boxed like this, our character kits and our Signature Stationery sets. And this one I've already partially opened just for the purposes of the video, but Susanna always wraps them nicely for shipment. So again, this was just so I could get it opened quicker for you. So I'm going to talk about the special Neelu accessory case first, because this was a really fun collaboration. So what I wanted was a flat case that could be used either for pens. So this is like plenty long enough even for longer pens, or you could use it for accessories. So you wouldn't even have to use it as a pen case. And what I did is the last time I was in Japan in December, I went to Nippori, the like fabric area of Tokyo, and I went and picked a fabric with traditional Japanese pattern, and I got I got like 4 different designs. So actually I can show you examples of the designs. So this is one fabric I got. This is another. And this is in this nice plummy purple color. And then this green one. And actually, so I must have got 5 because there's actually a fifth one that I might not have an example out here of it, but needless to say, it's gorgeous. It's similar to the others. Oh yeah, here it is. The navy one. So I really wanted to do like a collaboration between Milloo and something even more Japanesey since we're Tokyo Pen Shop. So that's why I went and picked up these amazing fabrics personally in Japan, and then I shipped them to have them made into these flat cases. So they've picked a lot of really nice leather colors for us. I feel like these flat cases are so versatile, like anybody could use these because you can use it as a pen case, you can put it in your bag, put it in your purse. You can even use it as a wallet, and I have done that. I just love these. But I know that a couple of our customers that like the stationery sets are vegan, and I've gotten some very helpful feedback in the past. So we do have vegan options, different colors. So this is just one example I brought out for you. So you still do get this nice Japanese lining, but instead of the leather, Neelu used a canvas for you. And I really like this canvas a lot, actually. It's very cool. Kind of a burgundy, but it's like a, I don't know what you call this. It's kind of a bridled or weathered sort of look to the burgundy. I just think it's really pretty. Okay, so that's the deal with the Milloo case. They're in assorted colors. A lot of them are neutral colors. So, you know, you're thinking like, you know, colors that aren't too, I mean, for lack of a better word, like girly. I know that's a stupid way of describing colors, but if you do like a fun pop of color, you can certainly let us know, and we'll try to make sure you get one with more of a colorful option. Like, for example, we even have some that are like a bright lime green. So if you have a strong preference between like a neutral color or a like pop of color, feel free to let us know. Now, when you're purchasing this product on our site, you will have to choose leather or vegan option. That way we know which one you want. So, okay, so I think that is a good enough description of this nice leather case you get. This is partly because of, of this special collaboration Neelu case. This is a thing I'm kind of like most excited about in the kit for sure. Got some other stuff going on in here. Okay, so what we did is a lot of new stuff, some limited edition stuff that you won't be able to get in other places on our site, but we also concentrated on like new stuff that we really like, that people have really been liking. So for example, this Marks Ink Flourishing Days pen, you can get this on our site. It is a new, really popular pen. People really like it. It's one of those Marks Ink pens that uses the Oto needle nose tip. It would make a good pen for you or as a gift. So we've included this in the set. We've included 2 of our really fun pens that I think a lot of people are excited to try, but don't necessarily want to like invest in the whole set. So just in assorted color, we have a click art. Now I've done a whole click art video and made several Instagram posts of like my opinions about this pen. So feel free to take a look at those if you want to know more about the click art. It is a click top water-based fine liner marker, essentially. I love them. And then the really popular mild liner, as you probably know by now, is now newly available in a mild liner brush. And so we've put an assorted color of one of the 15 mild liner brush pins in everyone's kit. So those are 2 things that you might be excited to just try. This is a pen that comes in an assorted barrel color. It's the new Zebra Fortilla Cone. It's not available on our site other than in the set. It comes in a lot of really fun colors. There's blue, green, of course there's this really pretty red. There's like 10 different colors, and so you'll get one of those 10 different colors. It is just a nice standard ballpoint zebra pen with a metal bodied and this taper cone body. Just brand new to the market. I've done a whole video on these. I absolutely love these new Marks Ink Maste perforated washi. You can write on them with a water-based gel pen. A lot of pens work really well, but I really like the Sarasa ink on top of them. So that's what I've been using. Again, I've done a whole video on this, so I will post a link to that video below. Everyone will get this particular attribute. I think they call it frame. I'm trying to remember what this one is called, but it's like has an antique look, and it's very, I feel like everybody will like these sort of like colored grays, these mauved colors. This is so innovative and fun. So this is a page flag that goes from saying look, so that you can get someone's attention, say on a document they need to sign, and then they tear off the part that says, that has the LO, it's perforated, and so then it's what's left over is it says okay. I can think of so many different ways to use these. If people are interested, we might go ahead and start selling these on our site just because I think they're so cool. See, I was trying to think how many. You get 20 sheets times 6 colors, so you get 120 different flags in here. And they're really pretty colors. So I'm excited about this one. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing these for individual sale on our site. And then finally, I can't wait to see what people create with these. So these are, they call it a decoration card set. It's also by Marks Ink. Kind of get an idea of the different ones back here, and you can use it. It would just be beautiful in your Midori Traveler's notebook or your journals, or I know some people still do photo albums or scrapbooks, but especially for a travel theme, I just think it will be so cool. And I can just imagine our customers who make these beautiful journals, how they could come up with such beautiful ways of using these. So these are our 8 items in the new Signature Stationery Set. Hold on real quick and I'll show you some of the other colors of this barrel because people would maybe be interested in that. And then, since I didn't do a separate video on that, I'll do that, and then I'll just kind of, I just kind of want to give you an idea of all the different flat cases. And we will eventually have some of these flat cases with Japanese lining available for individual sale on our website. Eventually we will. But just so many, I mean, there's so many different, I almost wish they wouldn't have done so many different amazing colors because it makes me want like one of everything, which of course would be ridiculous. So anyway, just hold on one moment and let me go get some other examples of the barrel colors of this guy. Okay, so I just grabbed some of them, but I just wanted to show you because it's fun. So we've got a gold, a pink, this really pretty like grass green, this lovely aqua blue, this cobalt blue. Yeah, and there's also like a silver and a black. So those are fun. And I don't know, like if you guys are interested in seeing these for individual sale on our site, just let me know. Maybe I'll consider doing that in the future. But anyway, yeah, this is the stationery set I am definitely the most excited about, partly because of this special collaboration, and yeah, I just think we put a lot of attention into sort of finding some of the newest, best stuff that's out there right now so that people can kind of get to sample things. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for teaching me in the past that you wanted a vegan option when I do put some leather thing in the stationery set. We were very lucky to have our vegan customers be so polite about requesting that option from us and not getting upset with us about it. So I really appreciate that. And I thank you all for your support and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.